Welcome back, Steve, Alaska Volkswagen Adventures. And guess what? We're doing another CV axle today. I'm at Drew's house. Drew was so excited. With the last one, he couldn't believe we didn't do them both at the same time. Well, that was my fault. I only ordered one. So now I have the other one. We're going to go ahead and install it since I'm pretty sure this one's cooked. It's making all kinds of cool noises, which I'll insert. And yeah, we'll get after this. Get it done. We got a nice day and we don't have too many of these left before the weather starts to change up here in Alaska, so we'll bring you along for another CV axle. Okay, so got the wheel off, which, you know, I had a minor moment there. I was on the jack and Drew had loosened the bolts up and I saw the tire wobble when I started lifting it up, and I thought, oh wow, that's not good, whatever that was. But got the tire off and, well, something seems to have broke off here, and that happened since last time. So you can see where it's been rubbing on the CV itself, but I know this inner boot at a minimum is done. You can see all the grease back up in here where it did the same exact thing that the last one did on the other side. So we got a new one. We're gonna go ahead and change it all out regardless, and hopefully that's all we find is wrong. But I'm gonna have to order a new sway bar end here, get that headed this direction before I go on any more adventures. Or you can see where it twisted the heck out of this thing, and I was bound up pretty good at some point. That cut loose and broke. I guess I gotta quit being so rough on my Syncro. All right, let's catch you up here. Got the old one out. Drew got that out and got everything out. Got the new one sitting in there. Everything's greased up and ready to go back together. I got the parts ordered. They will be here probably Wednesday of next week, so I can fix my sway bar end link, put a new one on. And yeah, bearings on the front end seem to be pretty good. I don't have any issues. I did order a set, just so I'll have them. The old one's a little crunchy, not as bad as I was expecting. I was actually expecting pieces to come out, so kind of surprised on that one. So hopefully that was my issue, but honestly think the squealing I was hearing was, you can see right here, that was actually rubbing on the CV itself right here. So I'm thinking that was my grinding noise, or at least I'm hoping. I'll know here in about an hour when this is all the way back together and I'm driving it down the road. But we will start putting this all back together, get everything cleaned up and tightened down, and yeah, good to go. So we'll film here a little bit in a minute. This sweatshirt off so I don't totally ruin it. You have zero sense of adventure. You have zero sense of adventure. Not that this sweatshirt's not my campfire one and right, everything else, but might as well keep it as long as possible. They're not cheap. Even when I make them myself, they're not cheap. Ouch, that was my knee. Where's that spacer that we had? I'm gonna have to figure out how to get all that in that same spot. Ouch, that was my elbow. Hopefully the other side wasn't supposed to have one of these and it didn't.
Yeah, that was my thought exactly. It's like, well, we didn't have that on the other side.
Yeah, we definitely didn't have that on the other side, for sure. Yeah, That's what I was reaching for. At least one of us knows what I was trying to get. Can you lift this into position or get it close? Okay, that's good. Gotta figure out where the holes are.
Yeah.
Which will be fun. How did I get my big ass hands in here before?
Very carefully.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Did you actually thread?
No.
No, it didn't.
It'd be too easy.
Yeah, that would have been way too easy if it actually would have threaded on the first trot. Nope, still not threading. That is just everything's in the wrong spot.
Sure you don't want to be a full-time mechanic? You're really good at it.
I'm about 100% sure. Gosh dang it. Of course I reached right in and grabbed a handful of grease. That was not what I was trying to grab.
Now you're having fun.
Yeah.
Now you're in the game.
I just got to try to figure out how to get my hands in there. Well, there's some more grease on the fingers. That's always nice. How the hell did I get my hand in there last time? God damn it. Put that right here so I can grab it. Yeah, that spacer's not very conveniently located.
No.
Just FYI. God damn it. Yeah, I've pretty much taken all the grease back out.
Yeah, I
of
was
it.
gonna say, you need more grease.
I'm gonna need a different rag. This one's giving me more grease than it's taking at this point. That red one.
You gotta stop putting your fingers in the shit and fill up the rag.
Yeah, if I figure out which way the... Alright, pull it back down for a sec. I need to figure out what's what. I didn't... Oh, God. It'd be nice if I could just fit in here. Okay. Wow, that's fantastic. Just show me a couple holes, that's all I need. That's cool.
You're just having a good old time.
Dude, I'm having a great one here. Just trying to figure out how to get my hands in there.
So just put it on the bolt is what I would do.
Oh, that's probably too easy. We don't want to do anything easy.
just
Come on.
I mean, if it was me, that's what I would do.
Yeah, the problem is you've got smaller hands than I do, apparently.
Yeah, a little bit. I wear medium gloves.
Just because the 2X are tight on me doesn't mean my hands are big. They just don't like to fit in certain spots, apparently. Come on. Okay, that one's on. Give me the other one. Oh, gosh. All the grease is coming out of my fingers. Come on. Okay. I was like, how's this one go in and the other one? Gee whiz.
Just fucking coated and stuff. Your watch is coated.
Oh yeah, everything's coated at the moment. You might want to grab a couple more grease rags out of the back.
I'm having a good old time now.
Yeah, now we're having fun.
There we go.
This is when the fun starts. I just wish it would start raining.
Yeah.
Then we'd really be having a good time. Oh yeah. I foresee that as a bonus.
Yeah.
This is just making up for the other side going in together so much easier.
Oh, Say you keep dicking around, it's gonna rain. Too busy playing with grease.
I know. If I quit putting my hands in it, it would probably be a lot less abusive.
Yeah, admittedly.
Okay. I just gotta try to get these. Oh, okay. Now we need to go back up with that. Oh, hey, get my fingers in the way there. Make sure Yeah, the problem is I can't get my hand where I need to get it, and this one doesn't want to go in there.
Right.
I can't see to get it lined up. And I'm just packing grease on everything. Of course. Yeah, it's a good thing I got a whole bag of these rags. I'm gonna probably use them all here in the next minute. Yeah, this spacer can kiss my butt. Oh, Jesus. Wow. Let's put that in my mouth. Ouch. Oh, it's a jack stand. I was like, what the did I just smack my head on? Probably should just shut the filming off so I can use the profanity that's coming. I can feel it. All I need is one bolt to start.
Yeah.
And I'm not even close. Can you see the line that up there at all? I can't tell where it's even supposed to be. Okay, there's needs to rotate just a little bit. I can't see the holes. I can't even see. I'm just literally blind here. I gotta find a different position or something.
Yeah.
Hey, there's some dirt up there, in case you were wondering. Can you see it from up there? Because that's the problem. I can't see where the holes are. I'm just trying to feel.
Right.
Because you should feel it just nose into it.
Yeah.
And then once it's started, I can hold this if you need me to.
Use my shoulder to.
I just can't see the holes to get them lined up.
Yeah, just smacking me in the face
Oh,
now.
sorry.
Alright. There, in theory. Ow, fuck. My pinky. Yeah, fucking everything's coated in grease now.
Yeah.
God damn.
You want me to clean it off? That's because I keep reaching into the inside of the CV where all the good stuff is. Okay, that should be a little better. I got 99% of it off. Oh, now I can see it from here, but I can't. As soon as the CV slides in there, I can't see where the holes are.
Yeah.
Nice. Apparently you get dirt in your nose. Can you give me the socket with that thing on it? Ratchet, oh, I can reach it. I'll just take one of those. Put in the screw. That gives you a little bit of leverage to twist. Okay. All right, now you should be able to get it where you want it and lined up.
God damn it. That fucking spacer give me a little bit more play on threads. That way I can know if lined up or not, but like I'm not getting any thread engagement with that spacer there at all.
I guess
I'm almost thinking that spacer's gotta come off because that's what
Oh yeah, that's barely good.
Yeah, it's not going to get any thread engagement.
Maybe grab in the. I'll shut the camera off for a minute. I better not touch it. I think it's this button right here. Just push it. Okay, progress report. We did get that all buttoned up in there. Drew got his hands up in there and got the bolt started and got everything put back together. Now we're just putting everything back together. Got the heat shield on, got the CV axle tightened down, just finished putting the brake line in, reattached the upper A-arm bolts. Waiting on this, the lower end link. It'll be here middle of next week. That'll go back on, and until then I just won't have a link on this end to grab and bind into everything, and it won't be rubbing on my CV axle. So that's where we're at, and we'll film here in a minute. Okay, there it is, all reassembled. Got everything tightened up, double checked everything. Now I just got to put the tire on. Once the tire's on, go for a test drive, and that is another CV axle install. Hopefully that's the last one for a while. Although the back ones are a lot easier than the front ones. At least from what I've seen and done already. So we're on a test drive, and I'll let you listen. Amazing how much better that sounds when the CV joint's actually functioning like it's supposed to. That makes me happy. Appreciate you, Drew. I know it sucks, but you're gonna be a heck of a VW mechanic someday. Anyhow, thanks for coming along on this short adventure. Hopefully we're not gonna be doing too many more of those.